Let's be real. Video conferencing is basically the heartbeat of almost every business today. But we all know the trap, right? Those popular platforms absolutely love gating their best features like meeting length or participant count behind expensive paid tiers. Well, in this explainer, we're diving into Jitsi Meet. It's an incredibly powerful, open-source alternative that completely rips away those limits. We're going to break down exactly how it works, what it actually costs, and help you figure out if it's the right fit for your team.
We've all been there, haven't we? You're right in the middle of this crucial client conversation, or maybe a really productive team sync, and bam, you get that dreaded warning on Zoom's free tier, the 40-minute cutoff. It sparks this universal panic, right? Everyone rushes to say their goodbyes or scramble for a new link. It just abruptly halts your momentum. And honestly, it forces so many small businesses to just cave and buy a paid plan just so they can finish a normal-length conversation without looking totally unprofessional.
Okay, let's actually weigh these options side by side. On one hand, you've got the commercial giants, Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams. They saddle you with those 40-minute limits unless you pay up for their pro tiers. Plus, they often require you to buy into this massive, broader ecosystem just to unlock full functionality. Oh, and they almost always force your guests to create accounts or download clunky apps. But on the flip side, we have Jitsi Meet. Jitsi offers genuinely unlimited meeting links, it is 100% free, it operates entirely standalone, and, this is huge, absolutely zero account creation is required, for anyone.
So, Section 1. What exactly is Jitsi Meet? Now, Jitsi isn't some untested fly-by-night startup. It's actually been around since 2003, developed under a completely free Apache 2.0 license. That literally means anyone can use it for free forever without paying a single dime. But its real secret weapon is what we call the frictionless join experience. Here's what that means. A participant clicks a single meeting link, and their web browser instantly opens the video call. That's it. No waiting for a heavy desktop app to update or install, no fumbling to remember some lost password to log into an account. It absolutely obliterates every single barrier for your clients, your vendors, and your team. You just hop on a call and start talking. Now, I know what you might be thinking. It's free. It's open source. I'm probably going to have to compromise on features, right? Actually, no. Jitsi Meet comes totally packed with the enterprise-grade features you'd expect. We're talking robust screen sharing, whether that's your full screen or just specific apps. You get virtual backgrounds and background blur for that necessary privacy and professional polish. It even supports live streaming straight to platforms like YouTube if you're hosting webinars, plus local and cloud recording, and yes, end-to-end encryption for those highly sensitive confidential meetings. So going free definitely does not mean sacrificing your professional toolkit.
Moving on to Section 2. Public service versus self-hosted.
When you go to implement Jitsi, you actually get two distinct deployment paths, and this really comes down to your technical capabilities and your privacy needs. First, you can just use the public service at meet.jitsi.si. The cost? Zero. The setup? Instant. You literally just type in the URL and you're off. The trade-off is you don't get custom branding and your data runs through shared public servers. But alternatively, you could self-host. Now, yes, you'll pay for your own server infrastructure and you'll need your IT team to set it up using tools like Docker. But in return, you get complete custom branding and, most importantly, absolute internal control over your data privacy. Literally no outside third party ever touches your video traffic.
And here's another thing. Beyond just being a destination website for calls, Jitsi Meet has a completely open architecture. It features embeddable APIs, which means you can drop video calling directly into your own proprietary website or custom app, completely bypassing those crazy commercial API licensing fees. It also integrates beautifully with open-source team messaging platforms like Rocket Chat and Mattermost, so you can launch video calls straight from your chat channels, and it even hooks into native calendar integrations to make scheduling a breeze. All right, let's look at Section 3, the real-world impact. Because, theory and features are great, but how does this actually impact the bottom line of a real business? Let's take a look at a real-world scenario of a small, 5-person consulting firm that decided to rethink their software stack. $900. That is the exact annual savings this team realized. See, they were previously paying about $15 per host per month for individual Zoom Pro licenses, literally just to avoid that 40-minute free tier limit. When they switched entirely over to the free public Jitsi service, that recurring licensing cost just vanished overnight. Zero setup required, immediate savings in the bank. But honestly, it wasn't just about the money. This transition removed a massive source of daily anxiety. As they noted, client meetings, which regularly went over that 40-minute mark, no longer risked being unceremoniously dropped mid-sentence. It completely eliminated that deeply unprofessional risk of juggling commercial free tiers. It let these consultants stop worrying about a countdown clock and just focus on doing their jobs. That brings us to Section 4, Caveats and Limitations. To be completely objective in this explainer, we do have to look at the full picture. Jitsi is incredible, but it's not a magic wand. There are some important limitations you need to consider before making a company-wide move. First off, if you use that free public tier, there's no dedicated enterprise support line to call if something goes wrong. You're on your own. Second, if you do choose to self-host, just remember that real-time video processing is heavy. It requires meaningful, properly sized server resources. Third, if your HR or IT departments demand highly detailed meeting analytics and strict compliance reporting, Jitsi's native tools are a bit less developed compared to the mature commercial platforms. And finally, if you frequently host massive, company-wide calls with dozens of simultaneous video participants, you absolutely must ensure your self-hosted servers are scaled properly, otherwise you're going to see some performance degradation.
Okay, Section 5, making the switch.
If those limitations don't scare you off, migrating is actually incredibly straightforward. Why? Because video tools don't carry historical data. You're starting fresh. Step 1, just start your team on the public service to get them familiar with the interface. Easy. Step 2, simply update your calendar templates and shared meeting links to point to your new Jitsi rooms. Step 3, run a few internal test meetings, practice screen sharing, mess around with the virtual backgrounds, just make sure everyone looks polished before facing clients. And Step 4, if you are going the self-hosted route, just keep your old software active for a brief overlap period. This just ensures your new server capacity can actually handle your real-world meeting volume. Honestly, most businesses easily complete this entire transition in just 1 to 2 weeks.
So when you add it all up, it becomes pretty clear why Jitsi Meet comes so highly recommended. You're combining a completely frictionless join experience that truly respects your client's time with a genuinely unlimited meeting length, and you're delivering the whole shebang at zero cost. That very specific combination directly solves the core financial and logistical pain points of commercial video conferencing. For small and medium enterprises, it truly provides unmatched value.
I'll leave you with this thought to consider for your software budget. Why on earth would you continue paying simply to avoid a 40-minute countdown clock when unlimited, secure, professional video is entirely free? It is absolutely worth a test run with your team this week. And, as you think about freeing up your budget from all those licensing fees, ask yourself this: what if your team's instant messaging could be just as free and secure? In our next explainer, we're going to be tackling exactly that by diving into the Matrix and Element messaging protocol. You definitely won't want to miss it.